from could be anywhere, America. Population 403. Just keep it going till you see that pump jack. Take a left where Gunny's feed store used to be. Grandpa sent me in to get his liquor, 'cause the truck would die if he let off of the clutch. Back then I didn't know the towns got bigger. 'Cause back then I didn't worry about that much. Riding shotgun meant you gotta get the gate. Daddy worked hard every day except when it rained. 'Cause I said so, that's why, is all Mom would have to say. We all wave at folks when they pass through. Blink, you'll miss it, USA. My cousins all came over on Thanksgiving. We get hollered at to go outside and play. Past the Cottonwood was a touchdown. Uncle Charlie's truck was out of bounds. Two ain't touched, but we tackled anyway. When it gets dark and nothing's open in town, we all loaded up and drove around. Riding shotgun meant you gotta get the gate. Daddy worked hard every day except when it rained. 'Cause I said so, that's why, is all Mom would have to say. We all wave at folks when they pass through. Blink, you'll miss it, US. Ain't much to do, ain't much to look at, ain't much at all that I would change. Yeah, we still wave at folks when they drive past. Cuss the ones that drive too fast. Through Blink, you'll miss it, USA. I'm from could be anywhere, America.
Yeah, we proud of that name painted up on that water tower, and that red dirt on the bottom of our boots. And this place runs 35 miles an hour, and that hard work runs in our roots. Yeah, we're all just backbone blue-collar people, burning that Texaco black smoke diesel. Yeah, we're keeping it small town, keeping it slow, keep that dust stirred up on them old dirt roads. Yeah, we keeping them girls up in them shotgun seats, got that good stuff waiting on the end of the week. It's the way we were raised, and we ain't changing now. You can find us sun up to sundown, yeah, just keeping it small town. We're keeping it small town. Yeah, we just trying to be about half good as our daddies, still trying to make a name of our own. Find a little girl you can roll with and ride with and make a good life with and love and take on. We're just keeping it small town, keeping it slow, keep that dust stirred up on them old dirt roads. Yeah, we keeping them girls up in them shotgun seats, got that good stuff waiting on the end of the week. It's the way we were raised, and we ain't changing now. You can find us sun up to sundown, yeah, just keeping it small town. We're keeping it small town. Yeah, we're all just backbone blue-collar people, burning that Texaco black smoke diesel. Yeah, we're keeping it small town, keeping it slow, keep that dust stirred up on them old dirt roads. Yeah, we keeping it them shotgun seats. Got that good stuff waiting on the end of the week. It's the way we were raised and we ain't changing now. You can find us sun up to sundown, yeah, just keeping it small town. We're just keeping it small town.
John Deere, brand new in '96. Beside me and Bandit, playing fetch when I was a kid. I saved the date, best day of my best buddy's life. Anybody else could walk on by and not blink an eye. 'Cause they're just pictures hanging side by side. Forgotten memories from another time. Just the places that I've been before. A couple magnets, recipes, and Polaroids. Yeah, but that's my life on the refrigerator door. My first day of kindergarten when I was 5 years old. A postcard that my cousin sent from Cancun, Mexico. A list of what mama needs from the IGA today. It's just one small part of a work of art signed Kenmore in '98. With all those pictures hanging side by side. Forgotten memories from another time. And all the places that I've been before. A couple magnets, recipes, and Polaroids. Yeah, but that's my life on the refrigerator door. Flies by, it spills on to the side until it's covered top to bottom with the best days of your life. And all those pictures hanging side by side. Forgotten memories from another time. And all the places that you've been before. Couple magnets, recipes, and Polaroids. Yeah, but that's all